Are you looking for a permanent solution to missing or failing teeth? Something that feels and functions just like the real thing? Then you need to understand the science of dental implants. Welcome back to Scientific Research Videos, where today we're diving deep into the technology and, crucially, the cost of dental implants in the USA. What exactly is a dental implant? It's not just a fake tooth, it's a replacement tooth root. The implant fixture itself is a small, screw-shaped post, overwhelmingly made of a material called titanium alloy. This material is the key to success. It's light, incredibly strong, and completely biocompatible, meaning your body accepts it. The core process is called osseointegration. After the titanium post is surgically placed into your jawbone, your bone tissue naturally grows around it and fuses with the metal surface over several months. This creates a rock-solid, permanent foundation that works just like a natural tooth root. Once healed, a connector piece, the abutment, is attached, and finally, a custom-made crown is placed on top. Now for the question everyone asks, how much do dental implants cost in the USA? This is where things get complex, as the cost depends on 4 major variables: location, the need for additional procedures, the material used, and the type of implant. For a single dental implant, meaning the implant post, the abutment, and the final crown, you can expect a full cost in the US to typically range from $3,000 to $6,000. It's critical to ensure this price is all-inclusive, covering all 3 components. Additional procedures. If your jawbone isn't dense enough, often due to long-term tooth loss, you may require a bone graft or a sinus lift. These necessary foundational procedures can add $500 to $3,000 or more to your total bill, as they require extra time and material before the implant can even be placed. Full mouth solutions. If you need an entire arch of teeth replaced, the popular all-on-4 or all-on-6 techniques are used. The dental implants cost in the USA for a full arch fix solution typically ranges from $15,000 to $30,000 per arch. While expensive, this is a permanent solution that drastically improves quality of life. While the upfront cost of dental implants is significant, it's an investment in your long-term health. Unlike dentures or bridges, which typically need replacement every 5 to 15 years, the titanium implant post itself is designed to last a lifetime. Good oral hygiene is all it takes to maintain that foundation. So, while you consider the cost, weigh it against the benefits: preserved jawbone structure, natural functionality, and the confidence of a permanent, beautiful smile. Always get a comprehensive consultation with an experienced US-based implantologist to discuss your specific needs. We hope this video helped demystify the science and the true cost of dental implants in the USA. Hit the like button and subscribe for more scientific research videos. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the osseointegration process.